Finally found those wooden ammo can boxes like what Mighty Mouse had, and you don't want to miss me talking to the guys that make these. Alright, so I'm here with Jason, and they make those really awesome ammo cans where you put the PathTags on it and hold them all, because I've had them in a case and it's starting to fill up. I want more coins in there and PathTags somewhere else. So Jason, how in the world did y'all come up kind of with the idea of making these?
Yeah, it was just wood is obviously our thing, wood and nickel, and you see people carrying around boxes or other metal ammo cans, and it was just an idea of let's make a wooden ammo can. So this is what we came up with. We modeled it actually after the 50 caliber ammo cans with the flaps on the side.
A lot of us that collect PathTags and trade them, we get a lot of them, and I saw you showing somebody one with inserts.
Yes.
So which one is that?
So we can do any box with inserts, so there's all multiple kinds. What it gives you is still an open space on the inside to put your items in, and then there's 3 inserts that you're able to display your tags on. And this ups what this PathTag box will hold to 264 tags.
So that is just really cool. Look these guys up, Wood and Nickel. What's your web address?
woodandnickelgeocoins.com.
Alright, so look them up, woodandnickelgeocoins.com. Get yourself an ammo can for all those PathTag lovers. Awesome, great way of displaying it, and catch you later. Now if this is the first time you watch Behind the Cache, click that subscribe button right over here. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Do you collect PathTags? Have you seen one of these boxes? Or do you want one of these boxes? Well, check out that description down below and order from Wood and Nickel. Alright, I'll catch you next time right here on Behind the Cache.